Nobody likes ads, but we see them all day long on our Android phones, inside websites, and buried deep within our favorite apps. They are everywhere, tracking your every move from one app to another or one website to another, making your mobile experience a cluttered and annoying mess of interruptions. What if I told you that you could reclaim your screen and your privacy today? In this video, I am going to show you 5 different hidden ways to permanently disable all ads on your Android phone using system settings that most people simply ignore or do not even know exist. Welcome to Fix Your Apps, your ultimate destination for mastering your smartphone. I have tested these methods on multiple devices and the results are incredible. Before we dive into the step-by-step process, make sure you watch until the very end because the final step is what ties everything together for a truly ad-free experience. Let's start with a real-world example to show you what we are dealing with. I am opening espn.com right now, and as you can see, there is a giant ad at the very top of the page. If I scroll down just a little bit, there is another intrusive ad blocking the content we actually want to read. It is time to get rid of these once and for all. First, exit your browser and locate the Settings app on your phone. This is where our journey begins. Go ahead and open your settings so we can start building your defense against these trackers and annoying pop-ups immediately. Once you have opened the settings menu, you need to navigate to the very top option, which is usually labeled as connections. Tap on connections now. This menu controls how your phone talks to the internet, and it is the perfect place to set up a powerful filter for incoming data. Now that you are inside connections, scroll down to the bottom of the list and tap on More Connection Settings. This is a hidden sub-menu that contains advanced networking options. Inside here you will find an option called Private DNS. Go ahead and tap on Private DNS to open its configuration. By default it is set to automatic. We want to change this to Private DNS provider hostname. Once selected, a text box will appear. You need to carefully type in tns.edgar.com and then hit the save button. This specific DNS acts as a giant shield filtering out ad hosting servers before they even reach your screen. Think of this DNS setting as a security guard for your internet connection. It identifies known ad servers and simply refuses to let them through. While it might not catch every single ad embedded deep in code, it is a massive first step in reducing the noise on your device. Let's verify the change. Hop back into Google Chrome and refresh that same ESPN page we looked at earlier. Swipe down to refresh. Look at that. The ad at the top has completely disappeared. The space might still be there briefly, but the annoying content is gone, proving our DNS shield is working perfectly. Now, while staying inside the Google Chrome, let's fix the browser settings themselves. Tap the 3 dots at the top right corner and choose Settings at the bottom. We are looking for Site Settings. Scroll down until you find it and tap on it. There are 3 critical things we need to disable here. First, find notifications and tap it. While not always an ad, these are often used by websites to spam you with intrusive pop-ups. I highly recommend switching this to Don't Allow Sites to Send Notifications. This ensures that no website can ever buzz your phone without your explicit permission ever again. Go back one step and find pop-ups and redirects. This is a big one. Ensure this is set to Don't Allow Sites to Send Pop-ups and use redirects. Below that, you will also see intrusive ads. Tap that and make sure ads are blocked on sites known to show misleading or intrusive ads. I hope these tips are already making your phone feel faster and cleaner. I provide all of this technical advice for free because I want everyone to have a better mobile experience. If you find this helpful, please take a second to hit the like button and subscribe to Fix Your Apps. It really helps the channel. Let's move on to the third major setting. Go back to your main settings app and find the option labeled apps. Tap on it. Now look at the top right corner and tap those three dots again. From the drop down menu, select Special Access. This is where apps hide their most intrusive permissions. Inside Special Access, tap on Appear on top. This permission allows apps to literally show pop-ups or overlays over whatever else you are doing. Scroll through this list and toggle off apps like Facebook, TikTok, or X. By disabling this, you prevent these apps from interrupting your workflow with unexpected advertisements. Next, we need to address how Google tracks you. Go back to the main settings menu and tap on Google. Switch the tab at the top from Recommended to All Services. Scroll down and tap on Ads. This is the core of Google's advertising engine on your specific device. Tap on Ad Privacy. You will see three sections here: Ad Topics, App Suggested Ads, and Ad Measurement. I want you to go into each one and toggle them all off, especially Ad Measurement, which allows Google to track how effective their ads are on you. Reset the measurement data while you are at it. Finally, go back to the Ads menu and tap Reset Advertising ID and hit Confirm. Then tap Delete Advertising ID and confirm the deletion. This effectively wipes your digital fingerprint as far as advertisers are concerned. You are essentially starting fresh with a clean slate that advertisers cannot easily target anymore. You have done it. To ensure all these changes are fully integrated into your system, turn your phone completely off and then turn it back on. Thanks for watching Fix Your Apps. If this helped you block those annoying ads, hit the like button and share it with a friend who needs this too. See you in the next one.